Domestic violence. Everyone knows the term domestic violence, but what does it mean for you if you're charged with domestic violence and now you have to go through the court system to defend yourself? I am Scott Weinberg. I'm a former prosecutor, and I've represented hundreds of people who have been charged with domestic violence for over 20 years. So listen closely, because I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do to protect yourself here in Michigan. First, do not plead guilty at your arraignment. You have to first talk to your attorney. The arraignment, it's the first critical stage of any court process, but especially for domestic violence. The judge or the magistrate at the arraignment, that's when they set your bond, but also the conditions of your release. Don't go to the hearing without an attorney. Someone that's been involved with hundreds of these cases. For instance, every single judge, they're going to enforce what's commonly known as a no contact order. And it means that you might get kicked out of your house and legally blocked from your loved ones if it's not handled correctly. So under no circumstances should you go to one of these hearings, this arraignment, without your attorney. Next, do not take advice from the prosecutor. Remember, the prosecutor represents the government, not you. You need someone on your side, someone who's your representative. And remember, the one who has to live with the decision is you, not the prosecutor, not the judge, but you. So protect your record. And finally, if this is your first assault charge, there are definitely circumstances where you can keep it under advisement or keep it off your record. It's called a deferral statute, 769.4a. And not everyone's eligible, so make sure you know all about this statute before you go to court. Domestic violence, it's a very difficult, very emotional type of case for you and your loved ones. If you take it seriously from the beginning and you get through it with the right attorney, you can help yourself and your family. Take care.